is about us. The topic is how Gen Z and Gen Alpha can contribute to a better India. India is one of the youngest countries in the world, with over half of the population just below the age of 30. This means India's future does not lie in the hands of leaders or policymakers. It lies in the hands of students, young professionals, innovators, and dreamers like us. Generation Z, born between 1997 and 2012, is growing up with digital intelligence. Generation Alpha, born after 2013, is growing up with the advancement of technologies, robotics, and artificial intelligence that only previous generations could imagine. Together, these generations have the power to transform India. But how can we make that happen? First, by becoming responsible digital citizens. Social media is a powerful tool. It can spread awareness, encourage positive change, and spread knowledge. However, it can also spread misinformation and negativity. As young citizens, we shall verify information before sharing it and create content that promotes knowledge, unity, and strength. Second, by innovation and lifelong learning. In today's modern world, skills such as critical thinking, coding, communication, and software are increasingly important. Instead of just memorizing facts, we shall aim to understand concepts, ask questions that will rise the debate in order to create an India that is more intellectual. Third, by protecting our environment. Every small action matters, whether it is planting a tree or cleaning the area. Every act of service strengthens the nation. Fourth, by embracing diversity and promoting unity. India is a land of many languages, cultures, traditions, and beliefs. In order to be a stronger India, we must respect differences, stay together, and never fight against each other. Fifth, by volunteering and giving back to society. Whether it is teaching unprivileged children, participating in drives, or helping elders at old age homes, every act strengthens and empowers a nation. Finally, we must remember that a great nation is not just only built by extraordinary achievements, but by the small sacrifices made by us, which can lead an India that is more stronger, intellectual, and more inclusive. As the famous quote says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." If each of us chooses responsibility over excuses, action over complaints, and kindness over hatred, we can create an India that is more inclusive, more stronger, more empowered, and more developed. In conclusion, Generation Z and Generation Alpha are not just the future, we are the present. The choices we make today will shape the India of tomorrow. Let us work hard, dream big, stay united, and create an India that will be the most developed country. Thank you and